Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at one of our other camps and I'm taking out some windfall trees. We got one right here, if you can see it right there. I don't know, it's somewhere back there. We got another one over there that's kind of a hazard, so we're just gonna drop these down and make camp a little bit safer.
So, while cutting this tree, I made two mistakes. The first of which is the undercut. The angle of the undercut is way too shallow, which makes it a much deeper notch than I actually should have had, and I have to make multiple adjustments. And while doing so, I cut too far on the underside, on the far side, which you can kind of see in the next shot. We'll talk about that in a second. So as you can see, the notch is quite deep into the tree, about halfway in, and it's very shallow. If I had had a steeper angle, it would have been a easier notch to clean out, and it probably would have been a much easier cut. But the issue is compounded here in just a moment. And right here is my second mistake. I didn't line up my back cut, so I am under my notch by about an inch on this side, which will play a role with how the tree falls. Fortunately, the tree has enough of a lean, and it's not super top heavy because the top of the tree came off, that it doesn't just take off on me and I can get the wedge out. But it does, you'll see how it affects the tree dropping here in just a second. And as you can see right there, and here again, the tree twisted as it fell because I didn't have any holding wood on the left side there.
And it was kind of close on that side, but we did it.
Let's see if I can do any better on this tree. So as you can see, while I'm trying to be cool and failing at it, that my notch is not as deep in this tree, and it's a little bit steeper, and I actually lined up quite well. So that's quite a bit of an improvement over the last tree. Let's see what I do for the back cut. And as you can see, I learned from my first mistake, so I marked the back cut so it actually lined up.
What happened here again? Dude,
Hey,
you're better than this.
no, I'm not. I plead innocence.
Especially since I plan on not being on camera for this one at all.
That is understandable. I don't know why I'm going to record this one, but because I know this is the tree that everything's going to go wrong on.
I'd take that pine out.
Because it's a small tree.
That one in the back needs to go. It's
Sorry, it's a small tree. It'll do a small amount of damage.
I don't want to hear that. That's the only time all day I've been nervous.
Every time. The small trees are the problem trees. The bigger the tree, the easier it is. I swear, every time.
I don't think that's not bad.
Yeah, but I did a regular notch.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Do you want me to cut this down?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. Dude, I was fine until I saw it go. Oh.
Yeah, because the breeze pushed it back. So luckily my bar was still there. Otherwise it would have crushed the woodshed, my phone.
Yep.
This is the way I like to start this one. It helps. I keep leaving it on.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. We'll catch you in the next one.